Hello dear students, my name is Ms. Berivan. I am a science teacher at Kosh School. Today we will review this subject that we studied from the second course. The first thing that we studied was about what indicates the weather conditions. We studied we have three things that indicate the weather condition. The first one is temperature. The first one is temperature. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. This is thermometer. Thermometer measure temperature. So the first one is temperature. Guys, do you know if the temperature goes to up, it means hot. So this is hot because the temperature goes to up. If the temperature goes to down, it means this is cold. So this one is hot. This one is cold. Hot, cold. Because at here the temperature is high and at here the temperature is low. So the first one is temperature. The second one is wind. Wind is moving air. Wind is moving air. So the first one temperature and the second one is wind. Wind is moving air. And the third one is rain. Third one is rain. Rain. Rain is water that falls from clouds. Rain is water that falls from clouds. So rain is water that falls from clouds. So we have three things that indicate the weather condition: temperature, wind, rain. So we have three things that indicate the weather conditions: temperature, wind, rain. So we have three things that indicate the weather conditions: temperature, wind, rain. And another thing that we studied was about the seasons. Guys, do you know year has 4 seasons? If I ask it to you, how many seasons do we have in a year? You have to say 4. How many seasons do we have in a year? 4. How many seasons do we have in a year? 4. So, what's the name of the first season? The first season is spring. Spring. The first season is spring. In spring, the weather is warm. In spring, the weather is warm. So the first season is spring. In spring, the weather is warm. In spring, plants start to sprout and blossom, and also in spring, some kinds of animals give birth to their young. So in the spring, plants start to blossom and the animals give birth. So the first season is spring. The second season is summer. Summer. The second season is summer. In summer, the weather is very hot. Hot. In summer, the weather is very hot. In summer, plants grow new leaves, and the fruits become ripe, okay? And the fruits become ripe. And young animals grow and learn how to get their food. We said at the spring, animals give birth, and at the summer, the animals will be younger and can get their own food. So, first season is spring, and the second one is summer. The third season is fall. Fall. In fall, the weather is cooler than in summer. So, in fall, the weather is cooler than in summer. This is fall. So, spring, summer, fall. Spring, summer, fall. In fall, the leaves of many kinds of trees drops to the ground. And at the fall, the color of the leaves will change to yellow, orange, and brown. So the color of the leaves will change to yellow, orange, and brown. And some animals collect their food for winter, okay? Some animals collect the food for the winter. Do you know? Because at the winter base of the snow, that's why we have a little food. So the animals collect the food. So we studied 3 seasons: spring, summer, fall. And the last season is winter. The last season is winter. In winter, the weather is very cold. In winter, the weather is very cold. So, in winter, the weather is very cold. And rain and snow falls. At the winter, rain and snow falls. So, we studied 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. In winter, many kinds of trees are stripped of their leaves, and some animals hide in their dens to protect themselves from the cold. Like these animals hide from the dens to protect. So, if I ask it to you, how many seasons we have, you have to say 4. Spring, summer, fall, winter. How many seasons we have? Spring, summer, fall, winter. 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 After that, we studied matter. We studied matter. Matter. Matter is everything around you. We said matter like what? Everything around you is a matter. Like book, notebook, pen, pencil, chair, balloon, milk, water, and everything around you is a matter. Okay? Matter. 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 Matter is everything around you. Matter is everything around you. Guys, do you know we have 3 states of matter? How many states of matter we have it? 3. How many states of matter we have it? 3. We have 3 states of matter. The first state of matter is solid. 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 The first state is solid. 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 Solid is a matter that keeps its shape. It means solid matter has a shape. Okay? So solid is a matter that keeps its shape. Like rock has a shape, like table, like chair, like door, like coins. All of them are matters. Everything is a heart called the solid. Solid is a matter that keeps its shape. Solid. So the first one is solid. After that, we studied weight. We studied weight. Weight. We studied weight. Every matter, everything have weight. Like us, we have weight, and all the matters have weight. And the foods and fruits, everything have a weight. Weight is a measure of how heavy something is. Weight is the measure of how heavy something is. Weight is the measure of how heavy something is. Weight. We said every matter have a weight. After that, we studied size. Size. We studied size. Size. Size, how large or small an object is. We have many things. Some things are small, some things are medium, and some things are the large. So we have 3 sizes: small, medium, large. What's the size of the ball? Small. What's the size of the ball? Medium. What's the size of the ball? Large. Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large. Size. Size. Size, how large or small an object is. And we have 3 sizes: small, medium, large. And the second state of matter is a liquid. Liquid, the shape of a liquid changes. We say the shape of the solid doesn't change, but the shape of the liquid will change. And a liquid takes the shape of the container you pour it into. This is a liquid, this is the water. When we put the water in the container, the shape of the liquid will be like the shape of the container, because the shape of the liquid will change. And some liquids mix with water, and some liquids doesn't mix with water. Okay, like oil and water don't mix together. So some liquids mix with water and some liquids doesn't mix with water. So water, that's why the oil and the water don't mix. Okay. This is a liquid. Liquid is a matter that flows. If I ask it to you, liquid like what? Like water, like milk, like juice. All of them are liquid. Water, milk, juice. And we have many types of liquid. So liquid. The second one is liquid. Liquid is a matter that flows. So what flows? Flows, it means moving a liquid. So liquid is a matter that flows. Liquid is a matter that flows. Liquid is a matter that flows. So till now we studied two states of matter: solid, liquid. And the third state of matter is gas. Gas. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Like liquid, the gas does not have a shape, and gases are all around you, around us, full of gas. And some liquids contain gases, and the balloons are filled with gas. For example, this balloon full of gas, and we cannot see most gases. Okay, we can see most gases, and we say some liquids contain gases. Like what? Like cola. Inside the cola we have the gas. So the third one is gas. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Gas. Gas. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Gas does not have a shape of its own. Gas does not have a shape of its own, like a liquid. Liquid too does not have a shape. So if I ask it to you, how many states of matter we have it, you have to say 3. How many states of matter we have it? 3. The first one, solid. Solid. This is ice. Solid. Second one is a liquid. 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 Solid. Liquid. And the third one is gas, 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 gas. So we have three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas. Thank you for watching.